All right, good afternoon, everyone. Abi, good evening, wherever you are. Um, I said I was going to do video for us on mobile graphic design based on what we discussed last week. We're going to do graphic design, um, social media management or marketing, then video editing. So I decided to do this video. Sorry that it had taken time before it came. It's because I needed to get the platform set up, so that's why. Meanwhile, I'm not going to be finishing everything right now, but I'll give you a glimpse of what it is like and how we can go about it. Now, there are two applications we will be using. There are two applications we will be using. Um, these two that you're seeing on my screen, Pixel Lab, you know, Pixel Lab and Canva. The choice of the two is specifically for a few reasons. Number one is that Pixel Lab does not give Pixel Lab does not have templates, so you have to create the template by yourself, but it has all the pixels and all the shapes you need for you to do your design. Whereas Canva have templates, so but if you don't have a subscribed account on Canva, you will not be able to use some templates that are on Canva. However, a lot of the templates are completely free and editable, and you can use to do your normal designs. So I think I should begin this afternoon by introducing us to um, Canva first. If I introduce us to Canva, then we can look into Pixel Lab. Whereas I would have loved also to start with Pixel Lab because it gives me opportunity to talk about the basics of graphic design, mobile graphic designs. But for quick delivery and for you to be able to get something a bit faster, I want to believe that everyone listening or everyone who will watch, uh, you're not a kid, so you should understand basic shapes and other stuffs. You'll be able to know how to handle them. Okay, let's open Canva so that we can begin and see how it is like on default. So this is Canva, so I open it here. Sorry, it's taking time to open, but Canva is a very heavy app, so it will surely take a bit time depending on your phone. Now at this point you're supposed to log in or sign up. I already have an account on Canva, so I wouldn't have to bother so much. I'll just tap on continue with Google. Now opening an account on Canva is not difficult. If you click continue to with Facebook, it will automatically take you to Facebook. You accept the terms. The same thing with Google. You accept the terms, just accept, and then automatically you're signed up. So this delay is because of network. So now I have to select which account I want to use, but I already have account on Canva, a lot of accounts, so I have to use, let me use this, my last account. So because of Glow network is taking time to load. When you use your own, it might be faster, or perhaps if you use a better phone, it might be faster. So this is a typical interface of Canva. Now if you look at the top, of course it says you should I should try the Pro for 14 days. So this is not the pro account, so I have not subscribed this other account. But then it says there is free trial. If you try the pro, you will have free trial. If you pay for the pro, or if you subscribe for the pro version, you're going to have free trial. So we all know these things now. But if you look at the interface of the app, you will see that there is the part for your designs here that shows that these are your designs. If you click on it, you see the designs you've done recently. But there is templates, which is what makes Canva unique on its own, which is why I said I want to start with it first. So there's also the last option that is in it that's beautiful, which is the AI design. We've gotten to AI. So yeah, so I was saying that you are seeing your design here, that if you click on it, you're going to see all the designs you've made recently. Like if I click on it, I'll show you all the design. I'll show you just briefly, and then the one at the center is Canva templates. So if you tap on it, you'll see all other templates they have, which is the prime reason I said I want to start with Canva, because with Canva you can do designs at least that will be close to what you want for yourself. It's not same as full-time graphic development, but then most designs that you see in our time are done using Canva. In fact, the biggest of the graphic design brands use Canva for their designs, and they are subscribed to pro version for a company, and they can add as many people and as they like. So if I want us to do this, the simple thing I would do is subscribe to the pro, and then everyone on the Starting Life platform will have the pro account signed up. So I will consider doing that. If you watch this video and you think you would like that, get back to me on the WhatsApp. So aside the template is the AI provision there. With AI, you could just search what you want to do or describe the design you want. Canva AI will automatically bring it up for you, or design a sample for you. Now, another thing you should see on the template on the Canva interface is that there is customized designs for all the purposes you want to employ graphic arts for. So there is the social media, there is the photo editor, just in case you have your photo to edit, you want to do a video, not like to edit video, but if you want to do slideshows, and just create some short videos, you can do it with Canva. Now you want to create some sheets, for instance, an illustration of different program flows. Sheets is a good way to go. It does not even end there. There is presentation. If you want to do, say, my PowerPoint presentation, there is to create document. Those you can do them with Canva. That's why Canva is a good way for people to start. For instance, if my account is a pro in a brand way and all of us, then we can see the entire designs that are done with it. So I may consider that we'll do it in such a way that each and every one of us will be linked up to one Canva application. So if you do a design, others can see. But then I'm also being skeptical about that for now. So earlier I was telling us about your designs. You see my recent designs all here. You see that you can create CV templates using this. So that is also very simple. But if I can't teach you everything here, you want to get this is virtual background for Zoom. If you're doing Zoom presentation, like if I'm doing Zoom class for us now, I can download any of this and automatically upload it as my background. Now I was talking about list of programs. You are seeing storyboards. Storyboards, they are all there. Now any design on Canva, you see this cap kind of um, inscription appended to, you will know that it is a paid provision. That means you have to pay for you to be able to have it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If you see this kind of thing here on any design, you know you can access it. If you use it, they will tell you to pay before you be able to download it. So it will not be, yeah, I will not recommend that you should be using it for the now until you pay, or if you have to pay. Now there's graphic organizers. You want to sketch the framework for your graphic that you want to design or other things, or maybe you want to do for your teaching, for those of us who may likely teach, and you want to have some form of graphic symbols. This now the graphic organizer section will serve a lot. You can see templates on how it looks like. I'm just showing you around what the interface is like, and in the next video I'm going to talk about how to customize graphics. So you can see presentation, Facebook post, customized sized Facebook post. So as soon as you click on this to edit, everything becomes the way it should be on Facebook. It will just suit. There's also mobile videos, for just in case you are doing video for, say, TikTok. This will serve too on the mobile video. The Instagram post, Instagram has a wider post space. You want to design posters. Usually posters are on A4, A5, and A2. So it depends on which one you want, A2 and A3. So now you want to design flyers. There are several templates. You could just search the one related to what you want. Just describe the purpose, and Canva gives you a template that you can use. You want to prepare some, okay, this is CV, this is CV, or client feedback form. That's why companies use it, because it has almost everything in one. You want to design logos. There are many logos that you can pick, that you can customize, or you may not even need to customize the icon. You could just customize the name, and then you already have a very nice logo for yourself. That's if that's what you want. But if you are able to visualize your own logo, then I think you might have to get someone who can use traditional graphic design to create something new, because if it is not a simple template, you will struggle using Canva or even Pixel Lab to do it. However, some people can do some of it with Pixel Lab. So Instagram stories, your own personal stories, and they are all there, and you can see your stories. So these are a lot you need to know about the interface of Canva. If you tap on projects at the base, let me show you where I was so that you get to flow what I'm talking about. Sorry about that. I tapped on. Yeah, I was saying, if you tap on projects, this is projects here, you will see the projects that you've done before, right? Like I just tapped on it. I'll just give it a second to load. So these are the recent designs I've done, so I can just pick it up. You can see my designs. For our starting live design is here. I designed the certificate previously, is there. Blue grade train, all those. This one was award given to me by Canva this time. And some of my images I uploaded, some of our logos and images I uploaded, I used for our designs. They're all here. So in our next video, I'll show you how to customize, how to upload video, and how to use more of the templates. But you know that when you tap on the plus sign, you will be able to put something from your phone or create a new design. right? So you can see now, as I tapped on the plus sign, it's loading a, a window or an interface where I can choose what I want to employ, whether I want to customize the size I want to do for me, or I want to get a social media, or I want to upload um, something from my phone, or I want to create a new Instagram post, whatever. Just plus means create new thing. So that is it on Canva. I would stop here for now. I expect that all of us will watch this video and we'll discuss it in the night today. The video is not long, it's just 15 minutes. So take time to watch and give me feedback. Now the other thing I should have added is how to get Canva, but you can download Canva application on Play Store. Alright, download it and install on your phone from Play Store. Then graphic designs with your mobile phone becomes easier. I will tell you why this is very important during the discussion in the night. Thank you.